everyone, welcome to Vidya channel. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic in social. But before starting the topic, I want to ask a few questions. Are you ready children? Yes, very good. Where do we live? We live on the earth. What is the 3D model of the earth? Yes, exactly, globe. Today's our topic is the globe. This globe helps us to understand how the earth looks like from the space. Other than that, it shows the shapes of continents and oceans. I think all of you know the shape of the globe. Isn't it children? Yes. The globe is round. Now we discuss about the shape of the globe. The globe is round like a ball. Is it correct children? Yes. But the earth is not perfectly round. It lightly pressed at two poles. What are those poles? North Pole and South Pole. Okay? Next. It bulged in the middle around the line. This line is called equator. This equator divides the globe into two halves, means two parts. Northern part is called northern hemisphere and southern part is called southern hemisphere. But this difference is slightly. That's why the map makers and globe makers did not mention this. Okay, now let us discuss our second point, oceans and continents. How many oceans are there in the world? Yes, very good. There are 5 major oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So, which is the largest ocean? Yes, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Which is the smallest ocean? Yes, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. In these oceans, one is covered with ice all over the year. Can you say the name of that ocean, children? Okay, yes, very good. That is the Arctic Ocean. This ocean is covered with ice all over the year. Okay. When we observe the globe, we can see the large portion of the globe is blue in color. Is it right children? Yes. Do you know why? Yes, oceans and water. About 71% of the earth's surface covered with water bodies in the form of oceans, rivers, lakes. These water bodies represent in blue color. That's why the large portion of the globe in blue color. Okay children, now remaining part of the globe is called land masses. These land masses are made up of continents and countries. Now I am going to ask an easy question. Shall I ask children? Yes, very good. That is, how many continents are there in the world? Yes, there are 7 continents. Come on children, say the name of the continents. Yes, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, so which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. And which is the smallest continent children? Australia is the smallest continent. Up to here, we learn about shape of the globe, oceans and continents. Is it clear? Yes. Now, let us learn about directions on the globe. Do you know how many directions are there? Yes, there are 4 major directions. They are east, west, north, south. Sun rises in the east. The opposite side is west. When we face at sun rising side, then our right side is south and left side is north. Okay? Now let us learn directions on the globe. Globe upper part is north side and lower part south side. Then right side of the globe east and the left side of the globe west. Okay? Upside globe upside north, downside south and right side east, left side west. Globe is not fixed. It can be rotated. Yes or no, children? Yes. Earth also rotates on its own axis. To this rotation, it will take 24 hours, means 1 day. Okay? Here we heard a word axis. What is axis? Axis means axis is an imaginary line passes through the earth that helps to rotate the earth around itself. With the help of this axis, the globe can move from west to east. Okay? The earth moves west to east with the help of axis. If we want to know about one place on the earth, it is very difficult to locate that place perfectly. To solve this problem, map makers drawn some imaginary lines on the earth. Those are latitudes and longitudes. Horizontal line, vertical lines on the globe. Did you observe the children? Yes. Let us discuss about the lines. Important lines on the globe. Latitudes and longitudes are the lines on the globe. First one, latitudes. Horizontal lines are called latitudes. These lines runs from west to east. These lines are starting with the equator at 0 degree. Latitudes measures the distance in degrees. There are total 180 latitudes. From equator to North Pole 90 degrees means 90 latitudes, and from equator to south 90 latitudes. Along with the equator, the other important latitudes are the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle, the Antarctic Circle. These latitudes shows different climate zones of the world. Okay. Let us discuss about zones. Tropical zone. The region between the tropical line means the Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn gets the most sunlight. This zone is called tropical zone. In this zone, climate is very warm along with heavy rainfall in most places. Next, temperate zone. The region between the tropics and polar circles, it is called temperate zone. Here, Tropic of Cancer to North Polar Circles, Tropic of Capricorn to South Polar Circle. This region has all 4 seasons: summer, rainy, winter and autumn. Next, polar zones. This is the last zone. The region which lies near the pole is called polar region. Polar region is known as tundra. Tundra means very cold. Polar region gets very little sunlight. In India, the sun rises and sets every day. Yes or no, children? Yes. But in the polar region, the sun does not rise in November, December and January. So, in those 3 months, polar region almost dark. In summer, means February, March, the sun shines for a maximum of an hour and then sets. 3 months, May, June, July, the sun never sets. It shines all 24 hours. But the sun rises where the earth appears to meet the sky. So, it is not very warm. Means in India, we can see this type of weather at early morning and evening. Is it correct, children? Okay. Means in winter, the sun does not rises, and in summer, the sun does not sets in the polar region. Okay, children? Means in summer also it is cold in polar region. Next, longitudes. These lines are starts from the top pole means north pole to meet bottom pole means south pole. The line at the center is called the prime meridian. This prime meridian divides the earth into western and eastern hemisphere. This lines also called 0-degree line like equator, but equator is a horizontal line or latitude. This is a vertical line means it is called longitude. Total 360 longitudes are around the earth. These longitudes help us to know time zone around the globe. The 0-degree longitude that passes through Greenwich near London, that's why this is known as Greenwich line. This is a standard time. This standard time is also known as Greenwich line. These longitudes helps us to know the time zone around the globe, because as we know, when it is night in one hemisphere, it is daytime on the other hemisphere. This Greenwich time is 5.5 hours late from our Indian Standard Time. I will explain about Indian Standard Time in another video. Okay children, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మరో వీడియోతో మీ ముందుంటాను. బాయ్.